Did you know you might be eating double the sugar you think, even if you avoid sweets? Sugar sneaks into foods you think are healthy. Here are 5 surprisingly common sources. Let's dive in. First up, flavored yogurt. Some contain up to 20 grams per serving. That's like eating 5 sugar cubes with breakfast. Swap for plain Greek and add fresh fruit. Make it at home. Control the sugar. Next, granola and cereal can surprise you. Granola and many cereals look wholesome, but they often have added sugars or syrups. If it tastes sweet or clumps, it's likely loaded. Scan nutrition facts. Look for sugar per serving. Swap to oats or unsweetened cereal. Add fresh fruit for natural sweetness instead. Number 3, condiments. Ketchup, surprisingly sugary. Barbecue sauce, hidden syrups. Even dressings can add teaspoons of sugar. Flip the bottle. Look for sugar, HFCS, honey, syrups. Choose low sugar or make your own. Small swaps here cut a lot of added sugar. Fourth, packaged smoothies and juices. Bottled juice can contain as much sugar as soda. When fruits are juiced or concentrated, the sugar concentrates too. Blend whole fruit and add veggies or protein to slow sugar spikes. Check for no added sugar and watch serving sizes. Final one, everyday staples. 5. Bread and packaged snacks. Crackers, bars, even bread can hide sugar. Look for alternative names: maltose, dextrose, cane syrup. Compare brands and check sugar per slice. Choose whole grain, minimal ingredient loaves. A quick label scan protects your daily sugar budget. Now that you know where sugar hides, you can make smarter choices. If this helped, hit subscribe for more nutrition hacks and healthy eating tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.